else here. So we're going to go ahead and tackle UCE Conditional Skills. So let's get import into our project. Import that in. Alright, so you're going to have a couple errors, and that's fine. Go ahead and let's get that README open. Okay, and now we have two core changes, which something just moved in my structure. Fantastic. It looks like it was prefabs. Let's see if I can get it back here. There we go. Alright, so go to your scripts, go to monster and pet. Alright, and in here we need to find, I'm already on it, you'll be at the top here. The first section is getting rid of this last skill, so you can delete or comment that out. And then monster, you're going to do the same. Delete or comment that out, and then go to the bottom of your script. And we're going to take next skill here, comment or delete that, and same thing for pets. And comment or delete. Close those up. Go ahead and let it recompile. Alright, we'll clear that out so our errors don't come back. And we can collapse that. We can also collapse conditional skills. We're done in there. So conditional skills will give you the ability to give your AI a little bit more logic to using its skills based on effect. So let's go ahead and create a new skill. We're going to use on the skeleton here. And this is create a uMMORPG skill under target heal, and we'll just call it a heal and put skeleton here so we know it's for the skeleton and no one else. Alright, now you'll see they have a conditional skill conditions here under AI. Just go ahead and open that up if it's not open. And if everything is zeroed out like this, that means it won't require skill requirements here, and it will just function as normal. They can just use the skill as they normally would. Once we set an activation chance, it will go ahead and take effect in here. So the activation chance is as normal, 0 to 100%. 0 means it would never work, which is why we have it turned off. 1 means that it's 100% chance to cast once these requirements down here are met. So now we can tell it doesn't have a health requirement, so above or below. So we're going to do below. And this is another percentage, so we're going to do 30%, so that would be 0.3. And then we're not going to require a skill to be active or a buff to be active on them for them to use this, but you could, instead of having a threshold, go, okay, well, the monster, if it gets poisoned, for example, it's going to cure itself. And you could do something like that, but you could have it have like a 50% chance to cure itself. So there's no guarantee it will, but it could. Stuff like that. We don't need a tooltip, we don't need an image. We do want to cancel cast if target dies, so the player dies, this thing isn't going to continue to heal itself. And if you want it to, you can leave it unchecked, and it will heal itself if it's still below 30%. Or you can add another skill for healing that's above the 30% to top itself off when it's not in combat or something like that. We don't need any requirements, but we do want to give it how much it's going to heal. So we're going to put 20 in here. It'll heal 20 of its hit points back. And we need to make sure we assign this skill. So we'll go to prefabs, entities, monsters, skeleton. And here let's find our skills. There they are. Let's make that a 2. And we'll drag and drop our heal on, like so. We can collapse this up because we are done in there. Collapse this, we're done in there. Save a project and hit start, and let's make sure it works as intended. So skeletons should heal themselves once they're under 30% hit points. So let's attack this one. So we're working as normal, and I should be under 30, and he'll heal himself back up. So this will just add some challenge. Now obviously you might not want it to cast it every time, but you get the idea. And that is it for conditional skills, so I'll catch you in the next one.